Quick start again.
He's gone through.
Brilliant. What a move. What a move. Fantastic stuff. And Marquez really struggled to get that Honda fired up there. They're side by side again, though. Marquez goes through. He takes the inside line. Can he get the Honda stop, though?
1 lap to go here. The British fans are on their feet. It's Marquez. That's his race around the outside of Woodcote. You can't do that.
No, they're side by side. Unbelievable. Rins is off the circuit almost. Here we go then, around the final corner. Rins is going to have another look. Surely not around the
He's got the job. He's done it.
He's going to do it. He's done it. Rins has poached it on the
Unbelievable.
line.